All right, now let's look at this example. A municipal trash facility allows person to throw away a maximum of 30 pounds of trash per week. Last week, 140 people threw away the maximum allowable trash. Ask you, how many tons of trash did this equal? So you can tell we talk about two different units here, right? Pounds, tons. So what is the conversion rate between these two units? If you check the previous slides, you can see 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. All right. So how many pounds of trash we talk about here? 30 pounds per week per person, right? Times 140 people throw away the maximum allowable trash. So that equals 4,200 pounds of trash. And then that's equivalent to how many tons, right? So we want to convert 4,200 pounds. We want to multiply by conversion factor. The pounds is the undesired unit, right? So we put the pounds on the denominator and then the ton on the numerator for the conversion factor. And then the pounds canceled, and then 4,200 times 1 ton divided by 2,000, we got 2.1 ton. So 2.1 tons of trash this equals to. And the next example, the post office charges 44 cents to mail something that weighs an ounce or less. The charge for each additional ounce or fraction of an ounce of weight is 17 cents. At this rate, how much will it cost to mail a package that weighs 2 pounds 3 ounces? So we also see two different units here, right? One is the pounds, one is the ounces. And then what is the conversion factor here? 1 pound equals 16 ounces. Okay, so 2 pounds, 3 ounces equals what? 2 pounds, right, times 1 pound is equivalent to 16 ounces. So pounds cancel out. We got a 32 ounces, right, plus another 3 ounces. So this package totals 35 ounces. And how much it will cost to mail this package then? The first pound is 44 cents, right? That's for the first pound. And any additional weights, any additional ounces charge 17 cents, right? And then total 35 ounces. The first ounce is already 44 cents, so the remaining only 34 ounces, right? So put this expression into your calculator, you will get $6.22. So mail 2 pounds 3 ounces package will cost $6.22. The next example, Alan is making chili. He's using a recipe that makes 24 cups of chili. He has a 5-quart pot and a 2-gallon pot, and is trying to determine whether the chili will all fit in one of these pots. Which of the pots will fit the chili? So in order to answer this question, we have to see the 5-quart pot equivalent to how many cups, right? And a 2-gallon pot equivalent to how many cups, and see whether that can hold the 24 cups of chili or not. That's the idea. Does that make sense? Okay, so based on the conversion factor from previous slides, okay, 1 quart equals 2 cups and 1 gallon equals 16 cups. Okay, so 5 quart pot equivalent to how many cups? Based on this conversion factor, the quart is n desired unit, so we need to put on the denominator. The cups, that's the desired unit we want to keep, right? So quart cancel. 5 times 4, that's equivalent to 20 cups. 20 cups, which is less than 24 cups, right? So 5 quart pot, this is not gonna big enough to hold the chili, right? All right, let's see the 2-gallon pot. 2 gallon is equivalent to 16 cups, right? So gallon is n desired unit I want to put on the denominator, and then cups I want to put on the numerator. So this cancel out. So 2 gallon equivalent to 32 cups, which is big enough to hold 24 cups of chili, right? So 2-gallon pot is a good one to fit the need. And then this is the metric system, okay, which is different measurement. And meter, kilometer, centimeter, millicentimeter, they're all is a thousand conversion rate. 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meter, okay? And 1 meter is 1,000 milliliter. And the same for the gram, kilogram, okay, similar. Kilo, that means 1,000. And similar for the volume, liter. Okay, that's a metric system, okay? You can read this conversion. So let's look at an example. In the Summer Olympic Games, athletes compete in races of the following lengths: 100 meter, 200 meters, 400 meters, 800 meters, 1,500, 5,000, 10,000 meters. If a runner were to run in all these races, how many kilometers will he run? So we just have to convert each of them. Okay, 100 meter equivalent to what? 0.1, right? Kilometer. Right. Similar, 200 meter equals 0.2 kilometer. 400 meter equals 0.4 kilometer. 800 meter equals 0.8 kilometer. Is that right? And then this 4 added up, that's what? This 2 is a 1, right? 1.5 kilo. Okay, and then we done this 4, right? And then the next one, 15 meter, that's 1.5 kilometer, right? Divided by 1,000. 5,000 meter, that's 5 kilometer. 10,000 meter, that's the 10 km. And add this 3 together, that's what? 16.5, right? So we done this 3. 16.5 plus 1.5, add together, that's 18 kilometer total. So the conversion rate is 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meter. Okay, that's the metric system.